So CrewZNation, we made it somewhat safe and sound. And the nice thing about today, there's a bunch of different cars, different than the usual ones. As you can see from behind me, of course we've got the bikes, the hogs. I have no idea what this is, but I'm not a fan. Is that a Torino? Oh, awesome. Of course, you got your caddies. And I think my two favorite cars here is this classic BMW. Holy wow. And of course an Evo, but the color is the color of puke, which is absolutely disgusting, and I don't know what this is doing here. And then you got the Corvette crew, red and yellow, and of course you got your SRT8s. Absolutely gorgeous, but I really don't like them, but it's gorgeous. And of course here's my brother's Mustang that almost killed me, but thankfully I think it's just an issue with the alignment, so I'll get that fixed ASAP. And as you know, usually the Fiat that comes over in every CarMeet. Oh god, I was so in a bath. And of course the Holden, which is an Australian icon, and it destroys, for the majority, destroys everything, to be honest with you. And thanks to its V8 torque is unbelievable. And actually I believe this one has been lightened a bit. Unfortunately the windshield is broke, but it is what it is. And then you have this huge Cadillac, and then this insane Mercedes. MashaAllah. This is insane. Look at the size. What do you do with this? Oh, of course you got the classic Merc. Oh, and one of my favorite cars just pulled in, which is the red Mustang. They don't like each other. The Corvette, Chevy, and Ford have been competing for ages who has the better car, but I think with the new, what is it, the C8 I believe, the mid-engine one, it's going to destroy it. It's going to destroy supercars, but look at that. I'm sorry about the cleanliness of my bro's car. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. And then you got the Corvette. Oh, the Corvette's gonna park with the Corvettes, of course. Nice. I'm honestly still shaken up from that little incident I just had. But I really don't trust Mustangs anymore. I mean, I had an incident. Well, I've never had an incident in it, but what happened earlier today was freaking terrifying. And look at this. Look at these Corvettes. Oh, American muscle at its finest. You got from old to new to classic. Sexiest Mustang. This side of the Mississippi. The most dangerous Mustang on this side of the Mississippi. And look at how many people are here. It's simply freaking amazing. I love it. But honestly, sorry about the hair situation, but honestly I cannot get over this, which I believe is supposed to be, well, it says the car, so I believe they competed with the car. I'm not quite sure, to be honest with you. And it's a Mercedes. I've never seen any of these. mashallah, tabarakallah. Allah it's gorgeous. But really, this Evo, I love Evos. Everyone knows that I love Evos, but this is the color of puke. And that is disgusting. But I still love it. And I'm not a fan of the Evo 10. I am a fan of the Evo 9 MR. That's one of my dream cars. And let me see. Oh, thank God it's a manual. Oh, this is special. This is really special. Look how clean this is from the inside. Well done. More people showing up. It's nice. I'm glad I came early, although I almost killed myself. But I made it safe and sound. So I'm just waiting for him to get done cleaning Corvette, and then he's gonna clean the Mustang, and then we're gonna take it for alignment, because as you can see from the tire, this one is tilted to the left a bit, even though the steering wheel is straight. And on this side is alright. There's no issue with this side. That was fucking terrifying. That was fucking terrifying. Holy shit. So I will get back to you guys in a bit. Take it easy and please be safe. And don't drift in a Mustang. And now I understand why Mustangs are fucking dangerous. They're fucking dangerous. Fuck, that was so scary. Holy crap. Peace for now. Well, now this awesome man is gonna wash the Mustang, have it look fresh and clean before we take it to the shop to figure out the alignment issue. I'm pretty sure it's an alignment issue. It doesn't seem like any of the control arms or any of the suspension was damaged. But yeah, so after this car gets washed, I'm gonna head home, or I'm gonna head to I'm gonna definitely head home and start working on the alignment situation. Hopefully it's just the alignment. If not, then we probably have to purchase a control arm or two. And other than that, what an awesome turnout. I hope everyone is enjoying this as much as I am. But once the car is all cleaned up and washed, I'm out. My heart is still beating so hard from that little incident. I do not trust Mustangs. Ford, if you have a Mustang that that someone can control properly, get a hold of me. If not, then I'm gonna stick with the M3, because that car has the best control ever. Of course, I'm not talking about supercars or hypercars. I'm just talking about sports cars. And with all due respect to any car manufacturer within the price range, the M3 is the best, hands down, and the M4, of course. Oh, any BMW M model. Oh yeah, it's already beginning to shine, baby. Shine, baby, shine, shine, shine. So the guy, when I got here, a guy asked me, why are you checking the undercarriage? And I was like, oh, I had a pothole. But he has no idea. But once the vlog comes out, you'll see exactly what happened, which sucked. Oh, and that's the Corvette just pulled over not too long ago, next to the Mercury, which sounds unbelievable. And this is the Jag. The Jag. I mean, I like him, but I don't like them. It's very weird. It's a love-hate relationship, you know? But it's the R edition, so it's it has some oomph to it, which is awesome. But I hate electronic steering, so that's why I always love cars prior to 2013, because they have, or 2012, because they have hydraulic steering. Oh god, look at this. Yeah, clean that baby, clean it. Oh, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Alright, so CrewZNation, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I can't wait to share it with you. And do not drift in a Mustang, and do not drift in public. and I learned that the hard way. Thankfully, nothing looks serious in the car, but other than that, I am out. Peace, Cruise Nation.